Hi everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. Today I am going to make a conversation with my new guest, and you always get here regarding English related content, and I always try to do make such type of videos. And if you want to talk to with me, then my Skype ID has given in the description box. You go and check out the description box, and you can join with me. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's great.
Uh,
And first of all, I would like to ask you, could you please tell
Yeah.
me something about yourself?
Right now, I am doing nothing. I'm just trying to enhance my English speaking. And from last 3 months, I am trying to speak in English, but no one is available for me to talk to me in English. That's why I am in search of you type of guys, those from which I can talk to them and enhance my English. That's why I call you.
Thank you for calling me, and thank you for connecting uh, me with you. Okay, and what is your name? What's your nice name?
My name is Dhananjay Kumar. I am from Patna,
Yes.
uh, and I am trying to enhance my English. That's I already told you a few minutes back.
Yes. You
Yeah.
already told me. Yes. And I want to ask you, mm, what do you do for your work? You are worker. Otherwise, what do you do?
Actually, I did my MBA from Ranchi University, Ranchi.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm looking for new job, and that's why I'm preparing for English because English is a global language. And without knowing English, you can't crack your interview. And if you don't know English, and if you don't express your views in front of interviewer, so you can't crack a interview. That's why from last 3 months I'm looking for a very good English speaker, and I try my uh, for better English. That's why I'm here with you
Okay, that's great. And how do you know me?
through YouTube video.
Yes,
One
yes.
of
You are. Tell
one
me.
of your video I saw on a few days back, and
Yes.
today all of a sudden I seen your some links of English related videos link on YouTube, and I click on that and saw three or four videos, and a few minutes back I saw your one video that you talked to one Hyderabad girl, Nikhat. I think Nikhat.
Yes.
You suggest me anyone to talk if anyone is interested to talk with you, then click that below link, Skype link. So I click on that and I connect with you.
That's great.
Uh,
Okay. And how long have you been speaking English?
from last 2 years, I'm trying to speak in English. I can
Yes.
write very well. I can read very well. I can understand very well. But when I go to speak in English, so I lost all of a sudden. Vocabs were not coming in mind, and I gone and I lost.
Okay,
So
yes,
speaking,
yes. While English speaking, any words does not come in my mind. Yes, didn't I didn't practice English. Yes,
yeah,
I didn't practice English. Only on I read any newspaper, any books. I listen lots of videos, but I never
yeah,
practice English. Yes,
yeah.
actually, without speaking, you cannot. And you can without English speaking you cannot talk to someone. Yes.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
are
that's
right.
why. Yeah, speaking is a very major point. Yes, of learning English, of improving our communication skill.
You better know that our environment are also not such like that to whom I talk to in English. Because I am also from Bihar, you are from also Jharkhand,
Yes,
and
yes.
where we are living, we don't didn't any such type of environment to talk to them in English. That's why we face a lot compared to English speaker who talk to them in English in Clapingo that you have seen. So we face a lot. That's why we face and we don't get any such type of privilege to crack interview.
Okay. And and right now, what do you do for your improving English?
Just speak to me in English all the time because I write very well. I can read also. I can understand also. So uh, in that sector, I don't want to put much effort. So I total focus on me for English speaking only. So I will search of such videos who help me to how to speak and within short duration of time, how can you speak very well and able to crack interview as soon as possible.
Okay, that's great. You are speaking very good. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And actually, your native language and mother native language Hindi.
Yeah. My,
Okay.
actually, all is schooling I did in Hindi only. That's
Yes.
why I'm also facing problem to speak.
Okay, no problem. Yeah,
Uh,
you can learn this language as soon as
uh,
possible.
yeah.
And I would like to say one thing. And
Uh-huh.
whenever you speak anything in Hindi, then try to speak in English. Yeah,
Yeah,
in your thought. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. I also try this method. Actually, I have no any partner and no English environment. But
Uh-huh.
whenever I speak Hindi, then
Uh-huh.
same sentence I try to speak in English.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
I thank you to you that you put a such type of effort and take initiative to help other guys to speak in English. It's a very good effort that you are doing, and you try to connect all those guys who are interested to speak in English and try to enhance their English. So your effort is very good. Hats off your ideas that you are doing.
Thank you for nice wishes. And
Uh-huh.
yes,
And for God grace, if you are doing well, then you improve yourself also.
yes. Actually, I am also learner. Yeah. This.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is my
Yeah.
instead.
That, that that's why I'm telling. That's why I'm telling that your effort is very good, and I know you are also in learning phase.
Yeah, I am very curious to know about your family background. Please tell me.
Yeah. I go through your all videos and I know about all your background also.
Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm good. Tell me about yourself.
No, no, I
What
am asking to you, what's your family background? Like, how many members in your family? Yes.
uh, I have three brothers, including me, and no sister. My mom and my dad is retired. He's
Yes.
from Patna Medical College Hospital.
Yes.
Uh, yes, and is still. We all are staying in Patna. My hometown is Patna.
Yes, yes. Hometown your Patna.
Yeah,
Okay. I mm, I have visited Patna 2 3 times.
yeah.
Yes.
For what purpose?
Yeah. Few months ago, I went to Patna for giving exam. Yes.
Which type of exam?
Air Force exam.
Okay, okay. You crack it or not?
No, no, I am unable to crack this exam. Yes, yeah,
Okay.
but my preparing was not very good. That's why I am unable to crack this exam. Yes.
Uh, uh Whenever you chance to come at Patna, then give me call. I'll meet you and
Okay, okay, definitely I will meet you.
uh, okay. And what about you? What your future prospects?
Yeah, as you know, right now I am pursuing graduation with English honors.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. And actually, I want to become in my future a good English trainer. Yes, I want to train
yeah, yeah.
another person English. Yes,
Uh, uh, what?
after completing my BA, then I will do a B.Ed.
Uh,
Yes,
God
and
gives you that. God gives you that you want.
yeah, yeah. Tell me, try.
God gives you that you want in future,
Yes.
and you become a very good trainer.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your nice wishes. Yes.
And tell me, ask something.
Yes, yes, yes. I am asking to you some question. Mm,
Uh,
uh, do you do you read any English book?
no, actually not.
Did you you learn and did you learn in your previous time any grammar?
No, I actually not. In the school time, I read a lot grammar,
Yes,
but right now I have not learned any grammar book
yes.
actually I read newspaper. Times of India is daily. I read newspaper daily,
Okay, that's
one
great.
or 1.5 hour daily.
Yes, yes, that's great.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And what about you?
Yeah. That I that's why I asked you this question because
Uh-huh.
grammar doesn't matter in improving English. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
that's why I asked this question. You are learning any books?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, if you want to speak English, grammar
Uh-huh.
doesn't matter. Just
Yeah. Yeah.
practice speaking. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Actually, why do I read English newspaper? Because I want to build up my uh, confidence level. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
why that's why I read English newspaper, any English books.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
only on focus on build confidence level. If you have
Uh-huh.
confidence level, then you able to speak English confidently and fluently.
Uh-huh. From last 3 months, I am trying to speak in English, and
Yes.
what I learned, English speaking is just like of learning riding a bicycle. If
Yes,
you
yes.
put,
Great.
if you having confidence in your mind that you know how to ride a bicycle, and all of a sudden you put yourself on bicycle and put handle and try to cycle riding bicycle. English speaking is just like of that. If you want to learn how to speak English, you forget what about vocabs, what about grammar. You just what you words just start yourself. That's it. And uh, create environment of like that all around you think about English only, 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 and one day you learn that I know English, how to speak English. The way I am speaking to you, today you are a first guy that I am speaking to in English.
Okay.
I never did this type of conversation with anyone. And I, from the bottom of my heart, I always think about whom to speak in English, whom to speak in English. And the way I saw your video and click on your Skype link, and I feel very happy that this guy will gives me opportunity to speak in English.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Got this chance of talking to you.
Uh,
And in initial stage, nobody is perfect from the beginning. And we, we, anybody wants to learn English. Otherwise, any skill, he have to face any some problem. Yes, like maybe this problem, maybe it problem because of fear of making some mistakes, and because of anybody laugh at me. Yes, yeah,
yeah, yeah.
anybody can laugh at me. Yes,
Uh,
that's
it,
why in this
uh,
because of this fear, uh, I am unable to speak English.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You are absolutely right. And I know I am also having problem
Yes,
to speak.
yes,
Sometimes I lost. Sometimes I lost vocab. So what I have to use right now. So it's the first time I am speaking to you. But if regularly I connect with you and talk with you, then one day my fluency will get good and your fluency is also good. So
yes,
regular conversation is very compulsory to enhance your English.
yes, yes. Okay. Whenever I am free, then I will call you. Okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah, yeah.
and definitely I will join my in WhatsApp group. I I I have created a group on my WhatsApp. Yes,
Yeah, yeah, very good, very
I
good.
will I will join in this group, and I have also a group on Skype app. Um,
Yeah, yeah.
I I I will join. I will join on Skype app and WhatsApp as well
Uh-huh.
as
It is a very good idea that you
yes.
do like this. Then lots of people enhance their English
Yes,
with
yes.
the help of yours.
Yes, in this way, when you are free, then you can connect any one person.
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's good. Your
Okay,
idea is very good.
okay, that's great. And that's all for today. We will
Yeah,
meet
yeah. Thank you, thank
next
you,
video
thank
and next
you.
conversation.